Hi there, welcome to the new series with this lovely car, Audi Rs4 B7 with 4.2 liter V8 engine. Who died? Problem is on cylinder number 4 bearing is toasted. We have a savage rod knock, and engine out, strip it, everything we have to take apart and see what the hell is going on. I love Audi. And new bearings, new rods. No, rods will stay if this one is okay, but I think it's not. I hope the crankshaft is okay, because this is a problem. New oil pump, cylinder heads going to the workshop, done, and we're gonna have new engine, I hope. We will see. Now we have to drain the oil, see what the hell is in the oil, and take it apart. Ay, 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 caramba. Time to start the party. See ya. Okay. Intake is off. Fuel pumps are off. Yeah. Let's see. Now fuel rails 1 and 2. Harness are okay. Laying down. Slowly, slowly. I will take it apart here some, and then when the engine is out I will take apart heads and other stuff. Now it's quicker for me to do this, but we will see when we go along with this ride. And okay, fuel rails are out, injectors, couple of them are out. This 5 is stuck. No problem, heads go out too, and injectors will come out. Wires are okay. Time to drain the oil, see what the hell is going on. Maybe I will take out the pan and we'll see. Okay, come on down. Okay, the oil has 300 kilometers, that's around 100 miles, and is junk. I don't know, you will see. Oh, it's sparkles, metal shavings in oil. Focus, stay focused. Oh. Yay, and bearings are toast, engine is toast. Okay, we have to take it apart. Maybe fast I will take the pan off. I will see. Now draining. Yeah. This is oil filter, look. Metal, junk. Look at this crap. Damn. It's junk. Okay. Now we see what we have to do. Take engine apart. And rebuild it with new parts. OEM bearings, OEM oil pump. She gonna be brand new, spanking new. Okay, look at this one. Sparky, Sparky, Sparky. God damn. What the hell is going on? Okay. Okay, oil pan. Yummy. Engine. Junk. Everything is junk. Yuck. What the hell happened here? What the hell? What the hell? Okay, pickup is good. Bearings. Okay, junk. See ya.